Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the top 5 best nut milk makers on the market right now. Whether you're looking to make almond milk, oat milk, or any other plant-based beverage at home, this list has something for everyone. We've reviewed these products based on features, performance, and overall value so you can make the best decision for your needs. All the product links are in the description below, so let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the 20-ounce nut milk maker from Hug. This compact and affordable machine stands out with its 10-blade 3D design, which ensures highly efficient blending for smooth and creamy results. The low-noise operation makes it a comfortable choice for early morning use, and its smart LED screen allows for precise temperature and timer adjustments, giving you full control over your recipes. The build quality is solid, with durable stainless steel blades and a sleek, modern design. However, its smaller 20-ounce capacity might be limiting for larger households or batch preparation. While the machine offers versatility with 9 functions, including options for room temperature, warm, or hot beverages, it falls slightly short compared to other models on this list in terms of advanced features. Overall, the Hug nut milk maker is ideal for individuals or small families seeking an affordable and easy-to-use machine. Its compact size and low price point make it a great entry-level option, although the 3.9-star user rating suggests minor issues with performance consistency. Pros include its quiet operation and user-friendly design, but the smaller capacity and slightly lower customer satisfaction score are worth considering. At number 4, we have the Magatang 7-in-1 Nut Milk Maker. This machine packs a punch for its price, offering features like an 18-hour delay start, a 6-hour keep warm function, and an ultra-convenient 60-second self-cleaning mode. It's designed to create smooth, nutrient-rich plant-based milks without the need for pre-soaking, thanks to its high-power motor and 8 stainless steel blades. The Magatang is lightweight and compact, making it perfect for smaller kitchens, but don't let its size fool you. It's incredibly versatile. You can use it to make almond milk, soy milk, oat milk, and even juices. However, with a capacity of just 28 ounces, it's better suited for smaller households. Its stylish design and all-inclusive accessory kit, including a fine mesh strainer, measuring cup, and cleaning brush, make it an appealing gift choice too. Rated at 4.8 stars, this nut milk maker has received high praise for its ease of use and consistent performance. It's a fantastic choice for beginners or anyone looking for an affordable, versatile machine. The only real downside is its smaller capacity, which may not meet the needs of larger families. But for the price, it's hard to beat the value and convenience this machine offers. Coming in at number 3 is the Kid Isle 8-in-1 Nut Milk Maker Blender. With an unbeatable price of just $59.90, this is the most affordable option on our list. Yet it offers a surprising level of functionality. This machine features 8 versatile modes, allowing you to make a variety of plant-based beverages, from nut milks to rice paste. The 2-hour heat preservation feature ensures your creations stay warm, while the simple, touch interface design makes operation a breeze. In terms of design, the Kid Isle Nut Milk Maker is compact and lightweight, but it doesn't sacrifice build quality. It comes with a full accessory kit, including a nut milk bag, fine mesh strainer, and cleaning brush, which adds to its overall value. However, with a 32-ounce capacity, it's more suitable for smaller households or occasional use. The 4.3-star user rating highlights its reliability and ease of use, though some users noted that the blending performance isn't as powerful as premium models. If you're on a budget and looking for a straightforward, no-frills nut milk maker, the Kid Isle is a fantastic option. It's perfect for someone new to making plant-based milks at home, or anyone who needs a compact, affordable unit. Pros include its price and user-friendly design, while the slightly weaker motor and smaller capacity are worth noting as potential drawbacks. Our runner-up is the AlphaBot N2 Nut Milk Maker. This mid-range machine is packed with features, boasting 5 modes for making everything from nut and soy milk to yogurt and juice. Its upgraded motor and 10 stainless steel blades ensure a silky, pulp-free milk every time, while the 35-ounce capacity makes it ideal for families. Design-wise, the Alphabot N2 is sleek and modern, with food-grade materials that are both durable and easy to clean. The self-cleaning function is a huge plus for busy users, and the Delay Start feature allows you to plan your recipes in advance. At $79.99, it's a bit pricier than some of the other options, but the blend of performance, capacity, and versatility justifies the cost. With a 4.4-star rating, the Alphabot N2 has been praised for its consistent results and ease of use. It's a great choice for anyone looking to invest in a reliable, high-performing nut milk maker. The only downside is that it doesn't have as many modes as the top pick, but overall, it's a solid option for most households. Finally, at the top of our list is the Flanano 50-ounce nut milk maker, and for good reason. This premium 10-in-1 machine is the most versatile and powerful option we reviewed. With its 20 stainless steel blades and a powerful motor, it creates ultra-smooth nut milks without the need for filtering. The extra-large 50-ounce capacity is perfect for families or anyone who wants to batch prep their plant-based beverages. What truly sets the Flanano apart is its advanced features, like the 12-hour delay start, 4-hour keep warm function, and automatic high-temperature cleaning. The intuitive touchscreen interface makes it easy to operate, and the durable borosilicate glass design adds a touch of elegance to your countertop. It's the most expensive option at $89.99, but the performance and convenience make it worth every penny. With a 4.5-star rating, the Flanano is highly regarded for its consistent results, quiet operation, and overall build quality. It's the ultimate choice for serious plant-based milk enthusiasts or anyone who wants a top-of-the-line machine. The only con is its higher price tag, but if you're looking for the best of the best, this is it. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this video helped you find the perfect nut milk maker for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews like this. And if you have any questions about these products, drop them in the comments below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, happy blending!